In the traditional world of lean, we treat equipment failure as a breakdown in the system. We use total productive maintenance, TPM, to mitigate this. But let's be honest, traditional TPM is often reactive or blindly proactive. We either wait for the machine to scream, or we replace perfectly good parts because the calendar says it's Tuesday. Both are muda. When we integrate AI, we are moving from preventive, time-based, to predictive, condition-based. Why is the 48-hour window the gold standard? Because it maps directly to the lean concept of lead time. If a bearing is going to seize, a vibration sensor, utilizing a fast Fourier transform, FFT algorithm, can detect high-frequency noise long before a human can hear it. The AI model analyzes this data against historical failure patterns. In lean, the waste of waiting usually refers to operators waiting for parts or machines. By knowing the failure is coming, we perform a pre-surgical Kaizen. We synchronize the repair with a planned changeover. We ensure the maintenance tech isn't walking back and forth to the tool crib. Waste of motion, because the AI diagnostic told them exactly which 12mm wrench and specific seal to bring. Furthermore, we eliminate overprocessing. Think of how much money is wasted changing oil or filters that still have 30% life left just because a manual says every 500 hours. AI determines the remaining useful life, RUL. We only intervene when the data justifies it. This is the ultimate integration of Six Sigma's data-driven decision-making and Lean's waste elimination. You are no longer managing machines. You are managing uptime as a strategic asset. Let's talk about the human variable in quality control. In Six Sigma, we perform Measurement System Analysis, MSA, or Gauge R&R. We know that human inspectors have a high rate of attribute agreement issues. They get tired, they have tunnel vision, and their definition of a scratch might change between Monday morning and Friday afternoon. This inconsistency is variation, the enemy of Six Sigma. Computer vision, CV, isn't just a camera. It is a neural network trained on thousands of good versus bad images. While a human inspector might sample 5 out of every 100 parts, an AI-powered camera performs a 100% inspection at line speed. This shifts our defect strategy from detection, finding the mistake after it's made, to prevention and classification. In a lean context, a defect is a hidden factory. It consumes material, energy, and labor, only to be thrown away or reworked. With AI, we can implement real-time poka-yoke. For example, if the CV system detects a mounting bracket is 0.5mm out of alignment, it can trigger an upstream stop before the next 5 parts are ruined. Every defect found by the AI is logged with metadata: time, temperature, humidity, and shift. This allows you to perform an automated root cause analysis. Instead of spending 3 days gathering data for a Pareto chart, the AI generates it in real time. We move from asking, "Did we have defects?" to "Why did the vibration on line 2 cause a microscopic crack in the finish?" We are using AI to achieve the zero defect goal of a true JIT system. It's not just about catching the bad part. It's about understanding the physics of the failure so the defect never occurs again. Taiichi Ohno famously said that inventory is the shroud that covers up the rocks in your river. If you have too much water, inventory, you don't see the rocks. Process problems. For decades, we've used Kanban cards and min-max levels to lower that water. But those are static tools in a dynamic, chaotic world. AI-driven inventory optimization is about dynamic buffering. Traditional lean assumes a certain level of stability in demand. But what happens when a global event shifts supply chains, or a social media trend spikes demand overnight? A static Kanban fails. AI, however, uses predictive analytics to look outside the 4 walls of the factory. It looks at shipping delays, weather patterns, and even macroeconomic indicators to forecast demand with 95% accuracy. This attacks the waste of inventory in 2 ways. First, it prevents stockouts, which lead to the waste of waiting. Second, it eliminates obsolete stock. In industries like electronics or food, inventory that sits too long becomes a total loss. By using AI to refine our economic order quantity, EOQ, in real time, we ensure that the material arriving at the dock is exactly what the customer will buy tomorrow. This is the bridge between lean, speed, and Six Sigma, accuracy. We are using high-order mathematics, like random forest or gradient boosting models, to solve the oldest problem in manufacturing. How much should I keep on the shelf? When the inventory level is perfectly optimized, the holding cost drops, cash flow increases, and the waste of motion in the warehouse is cut in half because we aren't moving around boxes of parts we don't need.